Have you ever felt like your crypto is trapped in a digital vault? Imagine you finally decide to jump into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. You've researched different coins, identified some promising options, and you're ready to take the plunge. You head over to a popular exchange like Coinbase, set up your account, and buy your first bit of Bitcoin or whatever catches your fancy. Feels good, right? But then a question pops into your head. Is that it? Is my crypto just stuck on this exchange now? Well, hold on to your cryptographic hats, because the answer is a resounding no. There's a whole other world waiting for you, a world where you have complete control over your crypto, a world unlocked by a magical little thing called a crypto wallet. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Coinbase Wallet, specifically how to activate it and unleash the true potential of your crypto holdings. So, buckle up and get ready to become your own crypto bank. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty steps, let's understand why having a separate wallet for your crypto might be a good idea. Think of a traditional bank account. Your money sits there, readily available for the bank to use in its own transactions, with your permission, of course. It's convenient, sure, but you don't have complete control. Crypto exchanges are similar. Your crypto sits on their servers, accessible for them to use in their own operations. A Coinbase wallet, on the other hand, is like a digital vault you carry in your pocket, well, technically on your phone. It's a self-custody wallet, meaning you hold the keys, literally, in the form of a recovery phrase, and have complete control over your crypto. You can send, receive, and store your cryptocurrencies independently, giving you more freedom and flexibility. All right, convinced? Let's get activating. Step 1. Download the app. The first step is to download the Coinbase Wallet app. It's available for free on both iOS and Android devices. Just head over to the App Store or Google Play and search for Coinbase Wallet. Step 2. Create a new wallet. Once you launch the app, you'll be presented with two options: create a new wallet or import wallet. Since we're starting fresh, we'll go with create a new wallet. Step 3. Secure your wallet. This is a crucial step. Coinbase Wallet takes security seriously, and so should you. After selecting Create a new wallet, you'll be prompted to create a secure passcode. This will be your first line of defense, so choose a strong and unique passcode that you won't forget, but also won't write down on a sticky note stuck to your monitor. Step 4. The recovery phrase, your crypto lifeline. Now, things get super important. You'll be presented with a 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is essentially the master key to your crypto kingdom. Treat it with the utmost care. Write it down on a piece of paper, engrave it on a metal plate, memorize it in a secret code. Whatever you do, keep it safe and secure, and never share it with anyone. If your phone gets lost or stolen, this recovery phrase is the only way to regain access to your crypto. Don't lose it, don't forget it, and for the love of all things digital, don't take a screenshot of it. Step 5. Backup confirmed. Once you've confirmed you've secured your recovery phrase, you're good to go. You've officially activated your Coinbase wallet and are now the proud owner of your own little piece of crypto real estate. Using your Coinbase wallet. Now that your wallet is activated, you can start exploring its functionalities. You can view your current crypto holdings, send and receive crypto from other wallets, and even connect your Coinbase wallet to decentralized applications, dApps, to unlock a whole new world of possibilities in the DeFi, decentralized finance, space. Coinbase versus Coinbase Wallet, understanding the difference. Just a quick side note, Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet are two different products offered by the same company. Coinbase is the exchange platform where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Coinbase Wallet, on the other hand, is the self-custody wallet where you store your crypto holdings. Think of Coinbase as the store where you buy your crypto groceries, and Coinbase Wallet as your fridge where you keep them safe and fresh. The power is in your hands. By activating your Coinbase Wallet, you've taken a significant step towards taking control of your crypto future.